Go, buddy, I love you!
Downhill Southeast Race 2 at Massanutten. Big shout out to Epic Bikes and the Epic Bikes downhill team. We got in Friday and I met up with Will and he had a killer pit set up. And then we headed up for some practice laps and then a big track walk at the end of the day. This would be Ollie and Jimmy's first downhill race, and so they did a great job this weekend. We were missing Katie, but me, Steven, Jose, Jimmy, and Ollie and Will had a great time. So the track walk, we just kind of focused on a lot of the different rock gardens and lines. I'd actually ridden the trail blind earlier in the day. I didn't get a chance to really look at anything. I just sort of dropped in and went for it. But I really liked the track. Like I said, it's my first time coming to Massanutten, but I thought it was pretty cool. So I had done a lot of traveling this week, and so I actually had to fly from Vegas directly to Massanutten, and Ollie, Jimmy, Jose drove from Tallahassee. So it was good to see everybody, and after Friday we shifted gear to practice and then seating for Steven. Steven's racing Cat 1 19 to 29 this year, and I got his GoPro, and it's a pretty cool seating run, and there's a little surprise at the end. So I'll let you enjoy that, and I'll pick the video back up at the end. Well, Steven ended up seating first place. He felt great on the track, and we were all super stoked for him. Sunday morning, it was super clear outside. However, it was already pretty hot. It had actually rained on Friday night quite a bit, and it was pretty cool on Sunday. Steven would be up first in Cat 1, and he felt really good, and obviously having seated first place, he was feeling pretty confident. He really liked the track, and I think it played well to his strengths. So unfortunately, at the end of Steven's race run, even though I had asked him about his GoPro, he apparently only took a picture instead of a POV of his race run. So it is what it is. As soon as Steven dropped in, I raced back down the hill since I still needed to race, and I was hopeful that maybe Steven got a podium.
5.8 into the lead. Holy smokes. Place out of Nashville, North Carolina, doing it for Outlive. Xander the feed brake. Taking second today out of Tallahassee, Florida for Epic Bikes is Stephen Herman.
Win rock! Win rock!
Oh yeah, Dak attack here going 2-3. Those lots are fast. All right, make some noise for your class winner, Cat 1, 19-29. Doing it for Cutter's Bike Shop, ODI, Didi, and 100%. Make some noise for Justin Wigenrod. Get that demo up on the vlogs. Justin, we ought to see some blocks out of you by snowshoe, all right?
Let's go, Justin!
Make some noise for your Cat 1 men, 19-29.
I'm fairly sure. Yeah.
Alan? Sean, you have 25 seconds.
I wish I would have practiced this section a little more. I switched my lines up too many times, and I just didn't have as smooth of a run through there as I would have liked to have. Section I've gotten a lot looser by my race run, so I held my line, but I kind of bobbled around a little bit. never did get that inside corner quite the way I wanted to.
Rider, rider, rider.
You could tell that I backed off as soon as I saw the person in front of me. I've got to learn how to pass better, be more aggressive, and come up and push my way forward.
Let me go, let me go.
Got bucked a little bit here and knocked my foot out of the pedal. And unfortunately, I couldn't get clipped back in, and so that kind of messed up my sprint here at the end.
He's winning the line now.
Damn!
Should they say? Second with a 4:24. I know how Jose. You're 10th with a 6:37.06.
I bobbled in that rock garden.
Oh, man.
GoPro, stop recording.
Well, that's racing. I'm fired up for the next one. I'm so proud of Steven and Jose, Ollie, and Jimmy. It was good hanging out with everybody. See you at the next one.